what the fuck though? Where the love go? 5, 4, 3, 2, I let one go.
What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel for another video. So today I am showing you how I achieved this Cindy Lou Who, I think that's how you say her name, Cindy Lou Who makeup look. I got the idea from one of my friends who saw another YouTube channel do it. I'm not exactly sure what their names are, but if I can find the link to it, I will post it in the description down below. I might sound like nasally because my nose is covered and I can barely talk with this thing on. So I got this nose from Etsy.com. I think I got it in a size medium. If you guys are looking to get it for whatever reason, I got a size medium. It was like $25 to $35. I'm not exactly sure on the price, I can't remember, but it wasn't that expensive and it also shipped very fast. I was very surprised. I'm wearing a wig right now, but this bang piece right here that I'm wearing I actually got from the beauty supply store. So I went to the store and I looked for like a fake wig clip that you can clip on your hair. So that's where I got this from, and I just clipped it on my wig. And I got this from Family Dollar. It is not a cape, it's one of those skirts that goes under your Christmas tree. It was like $2 because it was half off. I think it's like $5 originally. But yeah, I got this from Family Dollar. It doesn't come with a hood or anything. I just clipped it right here, so now it looks like it has a hood, but it doesn't. If you're not familiar with Cindy Lou Who, she is a character, the main character in the movie The Grinch. So yeah, if you want to know how I achieved this look, just keep on watching.
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are a heel. You're as cuddly as a cactus, you're as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. You're a bad banana with a greasy black heel. You're a monster, Mr. Grinch. Your heart's an empty hole. You're a foul one, Mr. Grinch. Your brain is full of spiders, you've got garlic in your soul, Mr. Grinch. I wouldn't touch you with a 39.5-foot pole. You're a vile one, Mr. Grinch. You have termites in your smile. You nauseate me, Mr. Grinch. You're a nasty, wasty skunk. Your heart is full of unwashed socks. Your soul is full of punk, Mr. Grinch. The 3 words that best describe you are as follows, and I quote: stink, stank, stunk. You're a rotter, Mr. Grinch. You're the king of the sinful socks. Your heart's a dead tomato splotched with moldy purple spots, Mr. Grinch. Your soul is an appalling dump heap, overflowing with the most disgraceful assortment of deplorable rubbish imaginable, mangled up in tangled up knots. You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are a heel. You're a monster, Mr. Grinch. Your heart's an empty hole. You're a foul one, Mr. Grinch. Your brain is full of spiders, you've got garlic in your soul, Mr. Grinch. I wouldn't touch you with a 39.5-foot pole. You're a vile one, Mr. Grinch. You have termites in your smile. You nauseate me, Mr. Grinch. You're a nasty, wasty skunk. Your heart is full of unwashed socks. Your soul is full of punk, Mr. Grinch. The 3 words that best describe you are as follows, and I quote: stink, stank, stunk. You're a rotter, Mr. Grinch. You're the king of the sinful socks. Your heart's a dead tomato splotched with moldy purple spots, Mr. Grinch. Grinch.
Let me see your shoulders work. I mean, I don't know what y'all came here to do, but